Oh, I'm so worried. A fan. The tires are bulging. You are blessed. Let's go see. Bumps in the front. This little thing works. So fucking around. Let's fuck him. Old tie. It's not dangerous to have a hole in the tire. Bulging is the most dangerous. The tire has a small skin on the outside, but he didn't miss it. You can still cheer up. You can still stop. But let's see if this piece can be dealt with after a while. After dealing with it, I'll rub this piece for it. Blocks will fall off. Just get a piece of meat. If it leaks, it leaks. Let's look inside. There's a double port inside. This piece has a mouth. This one has a mouth. I can see it now. I can see it. Let's deal with it later. Take a connecting cloth of a certain suitable width. The wiring cloth should not be too wide. It's about the same length. Let's try it later. Take a connecting cloth of a certain width. The length patch should not be too wide. Just enough. The wound should be about this big. This is here. Even if you expand it a little bit, this connecting cloth is enough. Bulging tires, be sure to polish it to the connection. This is the only time for domestic tires. Did you see it? Gently grind. The connection is out. This wound, the skin was not broken just now. After this fight, the connection is broken. That's where the bulge comes from. There's a wound on this one. To treat this piece as a gentle slope, the same piece, there was a small injury on the outside just now. However, he didn't understand it will be finished in a while. After going back, if we don't wear out the situation, it just so happens that today, I will tell you that the bulging bag will not break the mouth. The essence of bulging the bag without breaking the mouth is right here. This one has to give it a gentle slope. Can't be in a hurry. No need to add glue on it. After going back, when we put the patch on again, inside and outside with a load of hands, put this extra piece directly. Press the glue back for it and it's over. There can be no pits in this piece. There are pits. After vulcanization, the patch inside will fold. This one, put your hand away. It's got a little gentle slope. There can be no steep slopes. If there is a steep slope, it will not work. It's a gentle slope. After a while, you will directly paste the patch and you will be done. Just knock it down from the outside and you're done. Old tie. Look at the 1 centimeter left just now. I'll add the patch later. That's basically, okay, glue. Glue brush board. Upright and sharp. So there is one layer of wiring. No more, no floors. There's a layer of wiring in the tire itself. So just put it on one floor and you're done. The second layer of raw rubber. We are the same as pasting patches. Leave a millimeter to go back and stick it on. So here's the kicker. After we apply the patch above, we're going to rip this lower patch off for it. After pulling it down. I don't know if you can see it. Go back and paste it again. The problem of the bulging bag not breaking is solved. Here we go. At this point, there is a small tread pit here. There's a little crater that you might not get a good look at. This is 55.
6. We've had 5 silicone plates on tall wooden mats. Put a little heating plate on the inside. Lift the tire. After returning the hand, it goes up and up. 1 liter up, 1 liter up. Okay. I feel that if this heating plate leaks too much outside, push forward, push another liter. And when we get back, we tug on Takagi. This is the position I just drew. Hey, it's okay to go up a little bit. This tire plate is placed outside. I'll plug it in later because this is a domestic tire. It's relatively broken and it's not very likely that you want it to be completely flat after repairing this tire. There will be a little collapse after the repair. But it will never bulge a little crumpled. Pump up for 2 or 3 days. After he fought back, he naturally returned to his place, turn on the gas. After the 3 kilograms of air pressure is over, it will vulcanize in 60 minutes. Just get off the plane when the time comes.
After a few minutes, now this watch schedule shows that 60 minutes has expired. Then the thermometer has been powered off and no longer heats up. At this time, we will start to disembark, turn off the power and deflate. This is a tire that a customer brought over. Let's see what this looks like after getting off the machine. What is the inside replenishment like? Let's take a look at the results. In effect, on the inside, very flat and beautiful.